Ever wanted to backtest your options strategy, but didn't know where to start? Alpaca just released a full tutorial on backtesting 0DTE options. And it's a great starting point if you've been curious about how your ideas would perform with real market data. This is Fintech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into bots, AI, and trading strategies, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Why backtesting matters. Before you risk real money, you want to know if your strategy has any edge. Backtesting lets you run your logic against historical market data to see if it actually works. The cool part? Alpaca's new guide shows you how to do this with 0DTE option strategies, specifically a bull-put spread, using their trading API and DataBento's historical API. What you'll learn. Here's what the tutorial covers. 1. Set up your backtesting environment. Get Alpaca's trading API and DataBento's historical API connected. 2. Use Greeks and IV filters. Refine which options contracts you want to trade based on things like delta, gamma, and implied volatility. 3. Simulate 0DTE bull-put spreads. Run trades with clear entry and exit logic. 4. Measure performance with real tick data. Test your strategy against 1-minute stock and options data to see how it would have actually performed. Why this is useful. It's not just theory. You're working with real historical data. You can tweak entry-exit rules until you find something that fits your risk style. You can test multiple variations of spreads, filters, and conditions quickly. This gives you the confidence to either scrap a bad strategy before it costs you money, or refine one that has potential. Final thoughts. Backtesting is one of the most powerful steps in building an automated trading system. With Alpaca's tools, you can now simulate complex options strategies like 0DTE spreads with precision. No more guessing. Your turn. Have you ever backtested an options strategy before? And if so, what tools did you use? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you've approached it.